Part 3, climbing bridge. Okay, let's go.
I already climbed the bridge.
What the hell? No. Wait, bro.
I can't climb the...
Oh.
There.
You climbed the... Did I? Am I gonna do the slide to jump? Nah, bro, I'm not doing it.
I wanna run away.
How the... I wanna run away.
Gabby, I am taller than you.
You are taller. What? How did you get up there? Bro!
I'm under the water, bro. I'm under the water.
Bro!
Gabby.
Break
Step
it.
back, step.
There!
Gabby.
What?
You know that's super bad, bud.
Bro, I thought I can drill a hole there, but I used the bazooka. I'm sorry.
Naingit ka lang sa akin. Ako yung mas taller sa'yo.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Hindi, si Gabby naingit sa akin.
I'm sorry.
Okay, Gabi, masama na inggit. Pag ikaw narinig ng katabi mo, may katabi ko pa naman dyan na katabi mo, white lady. Joke lang. Sasabihin mo,
Doon na lang tayo, oh. Doon na lang tayo.
white lady.
Climbing.
Alam mo, katabi mo, white lady. Natakot ka ba sa white lady? Nakakatakot yun, white lady. Totoo.
You think I'm scared what I see?
Pinapalabas yun kay ka. Magandang.
Hindi naman yun nakatakot eh.
Nakakatakot ang white lady, Gabi.
Maybe ikaw lang takot dun eh.
Ikaw nga, may katabi ka dyan, white lady. Hala, nasa tabi mo, Gabi, nasa likod mo.